Hello, my name is Jasmine, and today I will be presenting my career exploration on echocardiography. So, what is echocardiography? Echocardiography is a procedure where an ultrasound is used to create high frequency sound waves and produce images of the heart. An echotech duty include preparing patients for procedures by taking medical history and answering questions that they may have about the procedure, preparing and maintaining imaging equipment, reviewing images and results for quality check of areas needed for diagnosis, recognizing differences between normal and abnormal images for diagnostic purposes. Some of the personality strengths that I have that relate to or match this career are being detail-oriented, having great interpersonal skills, and good concentration, as well as being able to have skill in hand-eye coordination. So how does this career match my interests? What particularly had made me interested in this field is that this career is involved in the healthcare environment. Employment such as an echotech will include working in places such as hospitals, physician offices, and medical and diagnostic laboratories. So what are some of the advantages and the disadvantages of pursuing a career in echocardiography? Some advantages would be that it is a unique career and opportunity. I would be working alongside a wide range of healthcare professionals such as cardiologists, and it is a good, stable job with good pay. Some disadvantages might be that this particular program is not commonly offered in most college campuses. Being in the echotech program does require extensive studying and dedication. This career does require you to be able to work alongside sick patients, and you must also maintain the good grades to apply for this program, as well as passing the exams needed for certification. So an echo technician for the median pay and for the year of 2018 was $67,080 per year, or $32.25 per hour. The typical entry-level education would be an associate's degree. No work experience is needed in any related occupation or on-the-job training. The number of jobs in 2016 were 122,300. The job outlook between 2016 and 2026 is 17%, which is a faster than average outlook on it. What are the education requirements? Some colleges and universities offer both associate's and bachelor degree programs. Employers would typically prefer graduates from programs accredited by the Commission on Accreditation of Allied Health Education Programs. Some courses usually include anatomy, medical terminology, and applied sciences, as well as invasive or non-invasive cardiovascular technology procedures. Some interesting facts about echocardiography are that it is an occupation that is expected to grow much faster than average. Only some states do require an occupational license to work in this career. The largest employers for technologists and technicians were hospitals at 79%. Some related job titles do include cardiac technician, cardiovascular technician, and cardiopulmonary technician. Well, this concludes my career exploration on echocardiography. I hope you enjoyed and learned as much as I did in this particular field. Thank you.